Hello friends, welcome to the next lecture of Tinkercad. In this lecture I'll be explaining you how to blink the LED. Now as in any programming language, our first program is always hello world. Same way when we program hardware, whether I'm working with 8051 or whether I'm working with Raspberry Pi or any of the controllers, my first program is LED blinking. So I can say that LED blinking program is my hello world program. So let's start with my LED blinking program. So I'll start with new circuit. Now in this I'll take one LED. I'll take Arduino. And now let's do the connection to this. So I'm connecting ground pin. Fine, I've connected ground and I'll make this wire as black. Now I'll take another wire and let's say I'm connecting to pin number 2. So this is my circuit ready now. Just for simply blinking the LED, I'll make this as red. And now here I'll change the name to LED blinking. Fine. Now my circuit is ready. Now thing is I have to write the code, but here I am writing the code in terms of blocks. So I'll go to the codes part. Now first whatever it is there, I am dumping it in the trash or the dustbin. And now let's see what all these blocks are. When I say output, here all the blocks are related to set. Set is basically used for outputting something on the pin. Then this is all input, that is reading the data from the pins. Then these are the comment blocks. Now here all control statement like wait, repeat, while, if then, count and so on. Then here you have mathematical functions as well. There is logical also, and in this I can create the variable which is needed. Now since I have to set the LED for blinking, that is output, so first I'll take a comment block and I'll say set pin to high. This is my comment. Now I'll go to output and now here I'll take set built-in LED to high. No, I don't want to use built-in LED, that is pin number 13. But I want some specific pin, so I'll take this one and I'll connect it here. And I'll set here pin number 2 because my LED is connected to pin number 2. And I'll set it to high. After that, I have to set delay. So I'll come to control. I'll set a delay here. Now my delay will be of 1 second. You can change the value here, and here you can change seconds or milliseconds. So I'm writing it seconds. So my delay is 1 second. Now again I'll go to output. Prior to that I'll take notation. And here I'll write a comment. Now here I'll comment is set pin to low. So this is a comment. Now again I'll go to output, take set pin, select pin number 2, set to low, and then take a control and set that. So my code is ready now. rather code block is ready, which will set pin number 2 to high. After 1 second it will set the pin number 1 to low. Fine. So let's see the simulation. See, this LED is blinking, but it's giving some error also. There is something message. This shows a message. So it says current through LED is around 45 milliamperes, which should be around 20 milliamperes. So what I'm supposed to do in this is to remove this error part. This says that there is some high current flowing through it. So I'll stop the simulation. I'll go to the components and I'll take a resistance. Fine. And I'll add this resistance here. So I'm adding the resistance, making it black, and then I'm connecting this to ground pin and making it to black. Fine. And now again I'll run the simulation. Now you can see that message that I has gone. Why? Because now my current is limited with the help of this current limiting resistor. So I hope this simulation is clear. Now one more part, the one which is remaining here is, I'll go to export. Fine. One more thing, let's see what the code this block has generated. So I'll click here, download code, and now I'll try to open this code in Arduino IDE. So Arduino IDE is getting loaded. Fine, let's see this code here. Fine, now let's see the code which is generated. So first I have downloaded the code from here, and let's see. I have set pin number 2, so pin number 2 is output, and then digital write high, so pin number 2, so this is converted into pin number 2. This is converted into a comment that is set pin 2 to high. Then delay of 1000, so this block is giving me delay. Then there is digital write 2 comma low, so this is writing digital 2 to low, and then delay of 1000, that is milliseconds. So here it is 1 second. So this block has been converted to this code. Now this code you can compile and download in the board, and you can verify on that particular board. So this is how my code is generated. So I hope the block programming and how the code is to be generated, how the code is to be written is clear to you. The next simulation is simulation of traffic signal, where I'll have 3 LEDs, red, yellow and green. Stay tuned, take care, stay safe, have a nice time, and happy tinkering.